Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. Today, I'm going to show you how to create multiple product tiers inside of Kajabi that will increase your income. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. If you're using Kajabi and you want to sell a product with 2 tiers, so you have like a basic version of your online course or membership site, and then you have a premium version where you get the basic version content, but you also get some additional content. This is called tiered pricing. There are 2 different prices, and you want to set that up to be delivered automatically. How do you do that in Kajabi? This is a question that many of you have asked, and I want to show you how to do it. Let's dive in and I'll show you how this works. I have a course called Automatic Income Academy. And in that course, I teach everything about passive income and building an online digital business. But there are 2 tiers of the course. There's the basic tier, which gives you all the main content. That's great. But then there's another tier that costs more money, but what you get is some additional bonus content, and you get a custom brand review from me. So you get some additional stuff. And so the question is, how do you set that up technically in the back end of Kajabi? Are they separate products? What does that look like? Do you clone the product? Let me show you how I've done it. There's 2 ways to do this that work well. And if you are on the lower basic plan of Kajabi, where your number of products is limited, I'm gonna show you how to do this even if you're maxing out your product limit. So just hang tight. All right, so first of all, you gotta understand the way I set it up in the products and then the way I set it up in the offers. First, let's go to products. The way I do it is I have 2 products. Automatic Income Academy, that's where the whole course lives. And then what I'm calling Automatic Income Academy bonus content, and that's where just the bonus content lives. I'll show you a sneak peek of what these look like. So this is the core product when they're inside the course, and they can get access to all the material. And this is the bonus product that has the bonuses. And if you arrow over, there's the 4 bonuses there. You might notice that even inside the bonus product, I have a link to go back to the course, which will link back to the main course, which is here. And inside the user's library, they do show up as 2 separate products. That is the way I set it up. I have the main course as 1 product, and then the upper tier or bonus level content stuff, I call it platinum level content, as a separate Kajabi product. And let me show you how you set this up so that they get this automatically when they buy. Back inside of my dashboard, when you click on products, and once you've created your main core product and the upper tier product that has only the bonuses, you need to create 2 offers for this course. You need the basic offer and you need the upper tier offer. So you'll notice inside of Kajabi that I have Automatic Income Academy Basic, which is going to include which products? The Automatic Income Academy product. Over on the other offer, I just cloned it, Automatic Income Academy Platinum. This includes 2 products, Automatic Income Academy and the Automatic Income Academy Bonuses product. I set them at 2 different prices. One gives you the core product, one offer gives you both products. This is what I like about the structure of Kajabi having products that are separate from offers. The products are just that. They are just the deliverable. The offer is the price point and what's included, because I could make a Christmas bundle offer that gives you the upper tier version of Automatic Income Academy and then gives you another course and gives you access to my membership. I could give you whatever I want that's inside of Kajabi based on offers. And offers aren't duplicating your products, they're just different ways of selling your products, which also allow you to try out different price points or try out a payment plan option and see what converts better. So you set up your sales page to offer two versions of the course, and one is the basic, one is the upper, and you choose the price point, you choose what's included, but when they click on one or the other, they're just buying one offer versus the other offer, and one offer includes bonus content delivered as a separate product, and the other one is just the main product. And what I like to do in the welcome video and in the welcome emails is explain how they access their bonus content. It's very easy to explain. When they log in, they see it in their libraries. I just call the bonus content something like bonus content with the name of the course as well, so it's pretty obvious what it is. But what if you're on the basic plan of Kajabi and you've reached your 3 product limit and you're thinking, Graham, I don't want to use 2 products for 1 product. What do? I only have enough room for the 1 product. How do I add an upper tier if I'm out of my product limit? Well, first, I would say you could probably upgrade if you're making money. It's not that much more, but if you're not ready to upgrade yet, here's the workaround. Kajabi gives you landing pages and usually unlimited landing pages. So what I would do in this case is create a simple landing page that includes the bonus content. Let me show you what I mean. If you go to websites and go to pages, you can create a new page, and you could even start with a streamlined sales page. Any template will work. We'll call it bonus tier. And now you're inside of a page, and if you've paid any attention with Kajabi's pages, is you can upload videos. You can embed video content on sales pages, landing pages, opt-in pages. So why not make a page that has the 2, 3, or 1 or 4 bonus videos and instructions for other stuff all in here? So you could literally go to the video and upload a file, and that could be your first bonus, bonus 1. And then if you want another video, if you have 2, you can add a section, add another video here. Click add. Now we click on the video and we upload the second bonus there and the third bonus. You can just keep adding bonuses all on one page. You make a private page that is easy for you to find inside your Kajabi backend. And then what you do is when you create your welcome emails, either you can subscribe people who buy a product to a welcome sequence, like an email sequence, which I recommend. I write out a series of emails to help my new customers on board and know what to do with the course. And one day I tell them to do this, and one day I tell them to do that. Or even with the automated one-time email that gets sent when they purchase, which if you don't know where that is, when you go to your offers, and let's say we buy Automatic Income Academy Platinum, right? After purchase, you can send them a confirmation email, and they can either do the default email, or you can use a custom one. So you could write the email right here if you want. If you just want one auto email that goes out, you can do that here. It's a little janky and basic text, but what I would recommend is an email sequence that they get sent when they purchase. And then what you do over in the marketing tab under email campaigns is you create 2 email sequences, right? I have one here for Automatic Income Academy Basic and one for Automatic Income Academy Platinum. And I've set the automation to subscribe them to one of these sequences depending on which offer they purchase. Obviously, if they purchase the basic version of the course, subscribe them to this sequence, which will be my normal sequence. If they buy the platinum version of the course, subscribe them to this sequence, which will be a clone. So you just clone it 1 click, so it's the same emails, but then we add in that first email, or we add an email entirely that says, here's the link to your bonus content that you got for buying the upper tier. And what do? We paste the link to the hidden landing page where their bonus content lives. So it is a free workaround to have unlimited upper tiers of whatever product you have outside of your product limit. However you decide to do upper tier products for your course or membership, I would recommend you have upper tiers, at least just one other option. There's something powerful when you're selling something to not just have one option at the bottom, because if you have one option at the bottom, they're asking, ooh, should I buy this or not? If you have 2 or more options at the bottom, they're asking, which one of these should I buy? That is a different question. That's a more powerful question psychologically, because for a moment it removes the should I be buying this at all, and it just moves it to which one of these is a better fit for me, which one can I afford, which one gives me what I need. Is that too much content? Do I not need the upper tier? Am I happy with the basic tier? That's a good place for your people to be when they're looking at your sales material. So either way, I'd recommend having an upper tier. And when you have upper tiers, it allows you to sell the same product but at a higher price point, and you can easily increase your average order value just by having a premium option on the table. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.